Hello, and welcome back to Slime Rancher. Make chickens! And you guys are happy. How much is another thingamaboober? For all $2.50. Yeah. I still have to watch the, right, left shift. Alright. One puddle and 5 rock. Right, okay. Running, gotta get those rock slimes. Get launched. There's just a pink slime out here. Okay, so I fed that Gordo. Give me this! Give me this! It was 5. Correct. Give me this! Give me this! Okay. Did I feed the one out here? Did I feed the tabby? I don't want tabbies. I don't want tabby slimes. I don't want those. Nope, that's a tabby. Ah! Give me all of these. No, slime, please. Did I feed you? No, I did not. Okay. Did you guys eat 2 chickens? The clucking. Damn it! Yeah, I haven't watched the 5th episode, but so I still need to do that. Come here. None of you eat those plorts. Out of my way. Out of my way. I said out of my way. What part of out of my way do you not get? No, do not! There's, what? Oh, there's the other one. Okay, good. There we go. Run! I don't honestly think I need the 6 carrots, but okay, whatever. Oh wait, yes I do. I could use them for, the rock Gordo. Oh, and that, by the way, what I consider as the big 3, because in like comics there's always the big 3. For Marvel it's Iron Man, Captain America, Thor. For DC it's Batman, Superman, Wonder Woman. For what I consider for the big 3 slimes are the rock slimes, pink slimes, and tabbies. So that's when I meant finding the last big, like, now you guys are hungry again. Damn it. Make chickens! Make chicks! I need to feed my I don't have the auto feeder, so Yeah. Where was that? So you go down. Okay. I think I got it. Oh, wait. Is that... Yeah, okay. I know where to get there. How to get there, again. That's not going over. Ow. Ow! You son of a bitch! Ow, stop it! Hey, it's a cache. God! How many are you? Oh my fucking god. Here we go. Now I'm being more smartful and tactical. Multiply as well. Off of me. Here. Tar. I'm glad there's not like a tar Gordo. Imagine a tar Gordo. Yes, I know, they're still here. This place is just littered with pink plorts. Excuse me. Yeah. I'll be my tabs. And then... Ah! No! What? How? No, what? There should be more of you running around. What? No. What? And you guys are hungry? Oh god. Ah! Back in there. Come here. Fine, I'll only have 4. Fine, you want carrots? Jesus. Quit getting under me! I love these things to bits, but just damn annoying things. Sometimes they're too damn annoying. Alright, where's the carrots? How much? Nah, just not enough. Oh, wait. There we go. Alright. Oh, I hear chickens. Or I hear chickadoos. Spring grass. Okay. Yay! Nice. Okay, there we go. God. I can't go exploring at all, can I? No, I have you little buggers to look after. Oy vey. Guess I'll make a trip to the rock Gordo, and then if I find any chickens there, I'll just like no, mine. Damn it. Yeah, you go through here. Okay, that's right. Shall you? Boing! Ah. I didn't know you being angry made you explode. Well, okay, I get that. Actually. I just randomly suddenly got a pulse wave. Neat. Don't need more of you. What I need is carrots. Odd onion. I'll take those. I don't need the plorts because I can get the plorts. Not you! Ow! Do I want to keep a hard... No, I just want to, like, feed this dude. Ah, come on, I need more food! I need more veggies! Do I want more? No, I don't want more. Boom slimes. Is Oka a fruit? I think it is. No, I don't think it's a... No, it's a veggie. Is it a fruit? I can't tell. I don't remember. Oh. Well, I just parkoured my way up here. My treasure pod is locked. Yo, where'd the party slime at? Is he back this way? No. Ah! Oh, Jesus! Oh, hi. Ow! Run. Eventually, they will die out. God, why do they have to make that music so terrifying? I could have sworn there was another Gordo around here. Was he in here? Because I remember the party Gordo. Oh, Jesus. Ah! First pod is locked. Did I read that one? Deactivate. Once again. Ah! Yep. Ow! Do not kill me. Ow! Shit! Well... okay! I'm working on a recipe here to help me out. 7 things and 2. That might be doable. Maybe. Starman. Gotta read that first. I'll read this one. Oh! Oh, yeah, I've totally read that. Big I got your mail. Of course, I remember that day. I feel like that when you and I really connected, it was raining so hard that the streets were flooding, and we took shelter in that cafe. It was like a scene from a movie, only we both looked like wet animals. And the guy running the shop was a real tyrant. The only way we could stay inside was by ordering one coffee one after another. I felt like we learned more about each other that day than ever. Did I turn this down? Not really. Let me turn it down some more. Jeez. Maybe it was the coffee because we were talking both really, really fast. Excuse me, I just had to cough for some strange reason. Oh, now it's too quiet. Oh, you won't. Oh, ah! There, maybe. I told you about my dreams, making music and all that. At least that's how I remember it. Walking home when the rain came down, you got closer to me and my heart. You got closer to me and my heart was racing. I couldn't blame that on the coffee. Aww. Feeding you. You know what? No! Come here. Ah! Bye, high walls. High walls, 350. No! Damn it. Okay. Shit. And I will... Everything is ruined! Everything is ruined. I need to get back to where I was. Pronto. Why are you all over here? There's nothing for you over here. Why are you? No! Okay, that was a mistake. No! God damn it. No! Come here! Stop it! Alright, everyone's getting sucked up. free for me. Okay. I need those. I need to grab another garden so I can get fruit, so I can feed the the pinks. Grab another roostro or a chicken or something, because they ain't breeding fast. Bam. Okay. Here. Bam. Here. Take the carrot. Bam. Take the carrot. Bam. Take the carrot. 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 Whatever one. You happy now? What? Oh my god, I'm going to kill you guys. Okay. I guess do not focus on the trades. Do not focus on the things. E to activate. This was a garden. Purchase this. Oh, no. How much was the high walls again? 350? Okay, jeez. Let's go get the pogo fruit. So I can just, like, quickly do that. Hey, Vay. Do you have any more poop? Do you guys have any more poop I can steal from you? Okay, here. I'm stealing your food as well. No, I don't want you. No way. Eh. I don't need carrots. I need hens more. Put this in with the. I'll put one in. Actually, no. I'll just put both of them in and just be like, screw that. I'll hold on to my tabbies. There. Jeezums. And let's go visit the Gordo slime. He's really close. But I need you. And I need one more carrot. Just to have a full batch. And then I will feel good. But yeah. Okay, yeah, that was a Slimepedia. I couldn't remember. There's one right there, but I can't. Well. Oh, Jesus. Just breeding ground. Or tars. Ow! Ha! Run, get away, run, get away, run, get away, run, get away, run, get away. There we go. Get way down here. These, so they don't actually they kill me. I can get these guys again, but I want to. Where am I? Okay, I'm over here now. Are you kidding me? All the way out. Back. Jetpack me up. Okay. So I guess the next thing I should do after I feed the pink tabby is to save up. I just work on the farm to unlock the grotto, since I have a teleportation thing in and out of there. Yay. You wanted the odd onion, right? There's one. You want 7 pogo fruit as well. Here! Take it, you beasts. Now! There! It! You have food! Yet. Poop. I need poop. I need those pogo fruit, and I need poop, so I can get money. Steal all of these. And how many are you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll take a stony hen. I'll also take a roostro. I'll save the roostro for the coop, because these things will breed fast enough. So I'm just like stuffing them. Okay. Ah! High walls, purchase now. Jeez. Ah! Wrong thing. You want food? I hate this guy. Bam, 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 bam. Shoot. Is the thing ready? It's ready. Okay, thank Lord. Okay. Shove these down this high hole. Finishing this. No! I forgot! I need 2 of those! No! Why are there 2? What the fuck? Why are there 2? Fucking got shit in tits. Fine. I guess you just won't exist. I'm sorry. But whatever. Boom, I have to do tabbies again. Fucking great. Get more pinks. Maybe. 1795. Okay, that's probably a reasonable goal. You need 1 more weird onion. Let's go see if that thing is ready again. This bitch better be ready. I also need chickens. I didn't even look. I'm not getting her. I'm not grabbing it. Boom. Yes, I am grabbing a boom. That's death. Ow! Stop it! Why does everything hurt me? Refill. More peaceful slimes. Sons of bitches. Wait, where's the... Oh, there it is. And I have to get rid of something, of course. No, not the carrot. Thank you! course, we stop off to the Tabby Gordo to pay off him. And there. I don't want you feral slimes. I just... Hi! Are you enjoying yourself? Never mind then. Out of my way! There's another one. I heard. I heard. Ah! Ow. Don't kill me. Fine. Crap. Give me. I don't. Ah! Eee! Ah! Up, they come back. What? Oh, is that? You're stressing out a lot. I also just need a plant, not an onion, somewhere. Thank you. Jesus. Should make another. Mochi Miles, I need these post haste, whatever that means. Post haste? What the what? God! I can't! Ah! I don't even have one of those slimes! I don't even know one of those slimes! I can't even get to one of those slimes yet! No! I am not! No! God! No! I don't care that you're giving me 500! I probably need those... Here, take the stone head. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat this. No. Fine. Fine. I guess we'll just work on getting. How many of... So we have 2 chickens and 3 roosters. I feel like we need all 3 roosters. We need 1 for each rooster, and that leaves us with 2 hens. Okay. Hand. Yes, just give me the parts. I'll make money wherever I can get money. Okay. I guess not the... We won't have the... Tabby as our next... Either Tabby and the grotto are our next thing. And I know I had a thing in there. Like a pen. Great. Not you! Oh, I heard flaps. Are you in the bushes? Where are you? Whatever. on top of you? I can! God, I really want there to be like a Minecraft, like a camera Minecraft thing. So I could just be like, ha! I am on top of a Gordo. Oh, that's a star chick. Okay. Whatever. Well. Yeah, that's right. There's this up here. Okay. You two are coming with me. You four are coming with me. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, this has been a long video. Okay. Whatever. You need to make progress. It's not even shaking! Oh, no, no, no. Wait. No! God! Shit, tits! Come here. See. Not you. Yeah, this. Yes. Ha. Okay. Well, that's more progress, but... And progress is progress, but... We need to go back. To base. Okay. Nope, just go back to base. Go back to base. Little phosphor. Little phosphor, the sun is out. Little phosphor, the sun is out. Oh, I think he knew the sun was out now, finally. I'll give you to my boom slimes. Slime. Never mind, he hasn't eaten the other two, so... I just guess I have to wait. Guess you can eat there. Golly gosh. Okay. Ha! Did any of you poop? Did any of you poop? 19. Okay. Deactivate once more and getting nothing. Okay. Okay, you guys pooped a whole lot. Okay. And you guys need, and the rocks need to be fed again. Okay. Well, we're not almost there. So, hooray! And these are not yet. Okay, well, that's fantastic. Need to activate. Okay, Star Mail. Oh, yes, Mochi Miles. Whoa. Seems contract. Mochi Miles. The Miles list. That Miles is I'm the billionaire. I'm supposed to be doing, but that doesn't mean I won't make the rest of these backward types out here look bad in process. No one conquers the plort market like I do, day in, day out. My dad gives me the inside track to look forward to my requesting plorts, so I know that will make me huge profits later on. So I wish you the best of luck, Beatrix. Maybe you'll even reach second place, and that, and at the very least, you can tell your friends that you helped out the great Mochi Miles in her conquest of the far, far later, Tater. Mochi Miles, the top rancher. That it's not really a race. It's just how well you can do it, and I'm not doing it well. Why am I even doing this? Oh God! Wait, is there a fifth slot? That's water tank, pulse thing, the dash boots, heart modulator, power core, tank booster. Oh yeah, I need the tank booster. Desperately, badly. Return to ranch. Because I thought I could just like customize that little thing. But no. Let's see if the boom has pooped again. Anyway, because that is what plorts are, just poops. Ow. Okay, you're not hungry. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked it, please leave a like. Subscribe to the video. Yeah, along with Slime Rancher, I have played Minecraft, Doki Doki Literature Club, League of Legends, Bendy and the Ink Machine, and Papers, Please, along with other stuff. But for now, I'm just giving you that as a teaser. But with that, I will see you guys in the next issue. See ya!